guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my channel for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for my hot subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you for always coming back to support me. You guys are so amazing and I love you all so much. And if you're new to my channel and you subscribe right now, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Oh my god. Okay guys, if you want to know how this hair was done, please do watch my video to the end and see you on my next video. Bye. Cuckoo everybody, hope you guys are doing fine. Oh my goodness. So guys, today's video I'll be using this very oil, oh my god, on my front hair. You all know the problem I'm having with my front hair and I can't stop talking about it guys. You know, I can't stop talking about it because always I make my hair, you know, because of this my hair is always falling apart. So I've bought lots of cream, lots of products, you know, just to grow this front hair of mine. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I thank God for everything and I appreciate God for the way he has created me. Oh yes, you see that spray I just used just now? That is my favorite. I love that spray so much. It makes the contour go through, it makes my hair soft. Oh my goodness, it's so good. So guys, today's video, oh my goodness, is going to be different from every my other of my videos guys. Yeah, so relax yourself, calm down. I don't know how to put the word, you know, I'm a playful somebody. All right, okay, so guys, thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you, you guys are so amazing. You know, I don't really know how to put the word, but you guys are amazing. You know, your beautiful comments, your support, oh my goodness, you guys are so adorable. You know, Celsius has love you all so much. I really do love you all so much. Okay, all right guys, that is it. So let's jump right into the video. As you can see, I've packed my head, I share it into two parts, you know, so I'm just weaving the tip right now. So that is it. So this is my wig, not my wig my weave on, okay, my human hair, let me put it that way, old one at that. Okay, so guys, I always try to use old things because of people who don't have. All right, so you know, lots of people they are out there, they love to do the kind of style you are doing, but based on they don't have the money to buy new weave on, new human hair, I don't know how to put the word, new wig, you know, they will just feel bad. So I'm always here to tell you, to show you that you can always work with your old weave on, old expression, old wig, you know, anything old, you can always work with it. Okay, it all depends how you use it. Trust me, I'm using this today, not that I don't have new one. People who knows me, they know I do, but I just want to use this today. Okay, so don't always feel bad if you don't have that new human hair or new expression or new wig. Don't feel bad. Okay, do what you want, do what you want for yourself, make yourself happy. Don't look at people. Okay, you all see the way I make this hair, the way I use the rubber bands across the tip of the human hair, you know. So just do it that way, do the same thing, or you just use the hair, the tip of the hair, to round your head. That's all. It's very, very simple. You can see today I'm not using any hair band, or what is it called, any hair packer. I don't know how to put the word. I don't know what they call it. I'm just trying to use the hair, my hair, to run my hair. Okay, let me put it that way. Okay, just want to do a different thing, that you don't need to worry about all those things. If you don't have that money, you can just do it this way. You are good to go. Your makeup will bring it out, your outfit will bring it out. Trust me, you don't need to do perfect thing to look perfect. Okay, nobody's perfect. That is why everything is not perfect. Okay, if you are looking for perfect thing, you have to do that in yourself. At the end, you will see it's not still perfect. Okay, so that is just it, guys. So you all know I don't love gel on my hair because of the front hair. Not that I don't love gel, I love it so much. Using gel on your hair, using it to slip it down, oh my goodness, so beautiful. But Ceciosa's hair will not let me do that. Okay, so if you want to do this style, you need a lot of gel on your hair. Trust me, you need a lot of gel on your hair. If you want to make the hair last for so long, you need a lot of gel and a spray gel. Okay, let me put it that way. Okay, but for me, I don't need it. I don't need it. Let me put it that way. So I just have to blow dry it a little bit, because I'm going to be using my scarf to hold it down. Okay, so that is why this today is different, as you can see. So it's different today. I just have to change some style, make it look different from every other of my video. Okay, this kind of video you don't really fancy, they go viral so easily. Okay, let me put it that way. All right, guys, you guys are so amazing. Okay, you guys are so lovely. I really do appreciate you all, for your support, for your subscription. Oh my goodness, for your beautiful comments. Oh my God, you guys are so amazing. And I have a lot of questions coming up very soon, guys. Trust me, my people, you know how to ask questions. Even someone asked me about my marriage, I'm going to talk about it. Okay, guys, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. You guys are so amazing. And see you all on my next video. Oh, bye.
I don't want nobody else. You know that you want to tell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races will never begin.